this will put this in. And now we get a other one.
What are you making?
A rocket ship.
A rocket ship?
This is the top of the rocket ship.
Oh, okay.
Wait, then you take this, and you put this into this. Whoa, that's a Y. I like this making a letter. What this making a rocket ship. Rocket ships. Wait, I had to wait. I had to make all these. So I can get these all fixed up. Ah! It's stuck. I'll do this one. What? I want a yellow one. I'll get that. Yellow's my favorite color.
Yellow is your favorite color?
Yeah, and blue and yellow. There we go. Now get the side of the rainbow. The side. And we're gonna do this. And do this. That's very tall. Whoa, that's tall.
Yep. You gonna make it taller?
Yeah, make a tall one. Tall rocket ship.
Blue and yellow rocket ship.
Yeah, I had to make one more green.
Blue, yellow, and green.
Yeah, I'll get
Blue and yellow together make green. You know that?
Yeah. Ooh, it's going wrong. Ooh.
If you mix blue and yellow together, it will make green.
Oh, okay. Let's put this. Yeah, there we go. And there. Whoa!
Uh-oh.
I broke it. I'll put this back on. There we go.
Look at that.
Whoa. Oh,
Yeah.
wait, put this on. This is actually a Y. So
Oh, it's a Y? Yeah, it looks like a Y. Show everybody the Y.
I can make a rocket ship. Okay.
Show everybody the Y.
Well, I'll make a Y one.
I want to see your Y. Where's your Y? Let me see the Y.
Okay, I'll get this.
Show it to everybody. Here.
Oh,
Show it on the camera.
Right, I'll put this.
Here.
Put it on the
Yeah.
Put it on this. We have to put this down. So you can see. Get away, flies.
Shoe fly. Don't bother me. Shoe fly.
Wait, we had to get these two sides in the deck.
Okay.
We had to do this. This is actually. Wait, we had to do the side of the rocket ship.
Okay. Do the side.
Right. We can do this, make a rocket ship. Oh! That hurts. Now I'll do this. This is very cool.
Is it going together? Yeah.
And inside of the rocket ship needs more color.
Yeah. Yeah.
Orange!
Yeah.
It's actually not orange, it's red.
Yeah.
This is orange, this is
Oh, you're right there.
Right, okay, let's put this.
Mm-hmm.
Red and green makes red.
Red and yellow.
Yeah. And to the side. Well, that's the side of the rocket ship.
It's red and it's green. And it's blue
Yeah.
and it's yellow.
Whoa.
Whoa.
This is tiny. This is shorter, and this is biggest.
The big rocket ship.
Yeah. And that's not a big. Wait, it's not a rocket ship yet.
Okay.
Wait, we have to do this in the center. It's stuck.
Ooh, you got it out.
There we go. There we go.
Oh, cool.
Oh, yeah, it's cool. Let's put this in. Wait, we put this. Let's see. There we go. Whoa.
Look how big. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's broken.
Uh-oh.
Can I do it? Ooh, there we go.
Look how big.
Ah!
Are you done?
Oh,
Are you done with your rocket ship?
Oh, it's not yet.
Oh, it won't stay. It won't
We
stay
have
up.
to take this. So we have to put this Hey, get away, flies! You're in my ear! We'll get blue, and we'll get this. Wait, I don't need this. I'll need to put it in the other side. So I can put in this side. So it'll be nice and cool. Let's put this.
That looks pretty cool. What are you doing?
Whoa, it's broken.
Ooh.
Can I put in, please? There.
Yay.
There we go. It looks like a rock. It looks like a turny thing.
Looks like an antenna or something.
Alright, I'll get
Yeah.
this red and this.
Okay.
We have to put this up. This thing up.
Dude, that looks really cool.
Yes. Oh! It broke apart. There we go. We have to do it in the back still. We have to do it in the back. Can I put it in? There we go.
Cool.
Alright, I'll put the green. Oh yeah, I have to put some orange. That's cool. Put it in the back. Oh, I broke the part.
Uh-oh.
Put it back on. There. And now I'll put the orange again. There. Whoa.
Cool. That looks so cool.
I'm trying to make a chair.
Oh, that looks like a cool chair. That does.
It looks like a thing.
It's spinning around. Look.
Whoa.
That's cool. Look at that.
It looks like
All the colors, the pretty colors.
It looks like a Ferris wheel or something. Yeah. It looks like a
Carousel.
yeah.
Yep, a merry-go-round.
It looks
Yep.
like a ride,
The spin rides, yeah.
And it also looks like those rides that hang you. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Where do you put this side on?
Is that the last one?
Yep, it's the last level. There we go. There we go.
Ta-da! Now what?
Now we get one more. This all I have to get. That looks like the yellow and yellow.
Look at you, you're doing another one.
Alright.
One more, right?
And yeah, and I'll put red. Wait, my favorite color is orange. Go.
I thought your favorite color was yellow. Now it's orange, okay.
Oh!
You know,
Her favorite color was green.
I don't know, she changes it all the time.
Well, at the arcade, we only picked green.
I know, that was funny. Look at that thing. Whee! Looks really cool.
Wow!
All the pretty colors. Okay, say bye, everybody. Bye.